Come with me. Let's make this yummy and simple dinner together. Yummy and delicious. Make yourself comfortable if this is what you are interested to see. Use any kind of plantain of your choice. You can use ripe plantain like what you are seeing here, or not too ripe, or green plantain. So the first thing I will do, I'll go ahead and take off the peel. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are wonderful. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you all. Please, if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And we are uploading soon again. And also help me to share this video in all your platform. Let's move on with our plantain. Now that I am done, only sprinkle a little bit of salt on it, take it straight to the oven. So here is the chicken breast. I have already washed it. I will just go ahead and slice it. So you can also buy the sliced ones from the market, or you slice it yourself. Make sure it's flat as possible as you can, and when you are doing it, make sure you are very careful with your hand. So one thing I really love about it is really free from oil. Yes, when you are frying, when you are roasting it, this one is not the one you use a deep oil to fry. No, it's really free from oil. Really amazing, so healthy. So now that I am done, can you see how the flatness looks like? So I also have a beef that I'm also going to be adding to it. So this one was sliced from the place I bought it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to use a spice, a complete spice. This is a vegetable, a complete spice. It have everything that you can ever imagine using to spice your meat. It have garlic, it have salt, it has a seasoning inside. Everything is complete. I only just go and add a little bit of salt or a pinch of salt. But when you are adding anything addition, you have to be careful. But if you cannot lay hands on this that I'm using, you can use a combined spice that you have at home to spice it. So I'll just leave it for a little while. Please feel free to help me to share this video in all your platform. Let it go around, let it be a blessing to other people out there. So when you are making it, just a drop of oil. Can you see why this one is really free from oil? So I'm going to go for this beef first. So at the beginning of it, you make sure your gas is not too high so that it can be well cooked. When you are doing it, make sure it's just with patience. So you just keep flipping it. Can you see that it has already generated enough liquids? When you are also cooking it, this is the same water you get from it also. So once you see that it's releasing the liquid, you allow it to also dry also. Once it's finished releasing it, you allow it to dry. At this point, it's not perfectly okay. There's no trace of water on it again. So I'll go ahead and wash the frying saucepan. I'll put just a drop of oil again. Make sure it goes around it. So the next one is the chicken breast. Make this one in your home. Make it for a personal, make it for a family, make it for a visitor. They will love it, they will appreciate it. Don't you think sometimes it's good to change meal instead of eating carbohydrate throughout? Sometimes you put rice aside, sometimes you put swallow aside. Who are you going to serve this one to that will say no to it? Even the taste alone. Oh my God. until you try it yourself, you might not really get what I am saying. Can you see how the roasted plantain looks like now? So I'll go ahead and season it with a little bit of suya pepper. See, this is the egg, tomatoes. So this is the carrot I'm going to be using also. I'll just go ahead and grate it. You can as well slice it. I'll put it aside. So this is a lime. So this is the liquid that I got from it. So this is how our roasted plantain looks like. Oh my god. So I'll go ahead and spread the salad in a plate, or dish it in a plate. The next thing, I'll take few of the tomatoes by the side. Grate carrots by the side also. So I'll go ahead and cut the heart egg, put it by the side also. You can cut it anyhow you desire your egg. So this is olive seed. All these things goes too well when you are preparing your salad. I'll put a little bit of olive oil. So this is a salad cream made with honey. It has a nice flavor. So the next one, I'll put the roasted plantain by the side of it. So the next one is the roasted meat. Guys, as I am making this food, you need to see how the whole house is really smelly good. We are just waiting. The throat is really waiting. Too quick, bring it. Oh my god, even me myself that is even preparing it, my throat want to cut. Guys, thank you if you watch out to this place. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon again. Bye bye.